Buffer time allows you to have some spare time before or after each meeting. Let's see how we can set up buffer time for your meetings inside Timetics AI. So before moving on, I want to show you how a meeting looks without any kind of buffer time. So this is how a meeting looks on the front end. Let's say this one. So I'm available from 9 to 5 and the meeting duration is set to 1 hour. So anyone can book me with 1 hour intervals. So 9, 10, 11 and so on and so forth. Now let's add buffer time to this meeting and let's see how it looks. So what we can do is we have to go here and we can click on edit, and then we can go to availability and scroll down. There you will see buffer time. So let's enable this, and you have two options. You can configure buffer time before a meeting or after a meeting. So let's say I want to configure buffer time before a meeting, and let's say I want to add 30 minutes of buffer time before my meeting. So now I click on 30 minutes and it gets automatically updated. Now if we go back here and if we just reload this page, okay, now you see that it has been updated. Now it starts from 9:30 instead of 9. Why? Because my meeting was started at 9, but as I added a buffer time of 30 minutes, that's why right now the meeting will start at 9:30. But if you remember, the meeting duration was 1 hour each. So if a meeting starts at 9:30, that meeting will end at 10:30, and then I will have a 30-minute buffer time. So the next meeting will start at 11. So this is how it goes, and it is as simple as this. So this is how you can configure buffer time inside your Timetics AI.